Alright, this is Stefan. Welcome back for another video. In today's video we have a very interesting topic tonight. So let's talk about the small creators. So are you struggling to get subscribers, views, to receive the recognition that you deserve? You're doing YouTube for the past couple of years and you're not being discovered yet. You don't get a lot of views. If you're struggling, or if you're a small creator with 10, even 50 subscribers, 100 subscribers, 500 subscribers, even 1000 subscribers, do you have the problem to be recognized? You upload twice a week and still no results. If I'm honest with you, I think many people have the same problem. You do your best, you have the best thumbnails, you have the great title, and still you get like maybe 10 or 15 views, and most of them are from your family. Yes. And that's why I would like to talk about tonight with you, a small creator. Let's have some conversation in the comments down below and let me know, what do you think? Do you have the same problem that I have? Well, if I'm honest with you, I'm not complaining. This is not a complaint video. The only thing is that sometimes when I make a video, I believe that it's not being recognized right. Maybe it's not being pushed to the right audience. Let's say someone is making a video about how to, and let's say there's not a lot of videos in YouTube, but this video is not being pushed for some reason. I don't know why. Can somebody explain why? But the problem with me is not the subscribers. Recently I just I passed to 2000 subscribers, which is a kind of big, in my opinion, milestone to hit, but in the same time it's not massive. Again, I thank all of the subscribers that subscribe to my channel, all of you. Without you, obviously not gonna reach this milestone, but you don't get, like, I think it's getting slowly. I know we're gonna get there, but the problem I have is with the views. Like, I don't get a lot of views. Like, I get like maybe 15, 20 views, but the problem is that it's happening very slowly. Very slowly it's happening. It's like the views, like, let's say I upload the video today and tomorrow we'll have like maybe 5 views, next day 6, day after 7, and it's happening slowly, which I think it's normal. But do you struggle with YouTube? Let me know in the comments down below. Do you have problems with the views, with the subscribers? What is your story? I started YouTube because I enjoy all the process, filmmaking. I know this is not I don't make films. Do you think that YouTube doesn't push the small creators? Do you think that YouTube doesn't make enough for small creators like even me? Don't get me wrong. I know I have like 2000 subscribers, but you can check my videos. I just want to know if you have the same problem as well. And I think YouTube is the best way to reach people if they have the same issues, same problems. My viewest video so far is about LED lights, which at the moment has like 140k, which is so right, but it's happening slowly. I don't think that this video will be pushed more, but the video is pretty nice. I'll leave it in the below the like button so you can check the video. And actually many people was happy about it, the video that I did about the LED lights, and I helped a lot of people. But I feel like this video should have at least, I don't know, maybe 500,000 views, because the video is pretty good. About 1000 people like the video. So a video, I think it has like maybe 700, 800 comments. I'm not sure. And you expect this video to be viral, but it's not. So that's why I decided to make today's video, and I just want to see your side of the story. What do you think? Do you think YouTube doesn't do enough for the small creators? Do you think that YouTube is pushing more than, I know, the creators that they have like maybe 5,000, 10,000 subscribers? I don't know. Or comments down below. Even the bigger creators with 10k, 20k, 30k, do you have the same problem? Or is just the small creators? So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments down below. I really appreciate if you like the video, and also let's have some conversation in the comments down below and let me know what do you think. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.